What if you could test drive a premium finance program with zero risk, unlock perks from day one? And this is an informational client content sponsored by Crypto.com. Should not be considered investment advice. Trading cryptocurrencies carries risks such as price volatility and market risks. So before deciding to trade cryptocurrencies, consider your risk appetite. Always do your own research as well. All right, guys. I have something super exciting for you here. I hope you're looking for it. So what if I said, hey, you could jump into a program, test drive it, see how it worked out, no risk, no problem. Now, Crypto.com is doing that, but this is really, really exciting. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but we're going to jump into it. So here we can see the trial. You can start your 30-day free trial. And it's really cool because now you can get in, learn more about it, and you can see all the information here. Now, the nice thing about this is just a few clicks. There's no lock-in, cancel anytime. You can do that. Now, what is the mission of Crypto.com? You've probably seen Crypto.com or you know of it if you're in the crypto space. But this has a lot of really, really good things. They are trying to make crypto mainstream. It's designed so crypto fits into everyday life. A lot of people think of crypto as kind of a niche thing. Maybe it's some finance people, maybe it's some people into tech. Maybe it's a little bit of both of those, but actually should be for everybody because everybody should use decentralized ways of acting P2P, just like Satoshi Nakamoto wanted. So that's Crypto.com's mission. They do that with a few things. So we can see cards right here. Transfers, it's safe, it's secure, and it's trusted by millions. This is not just an exchange that popped up. This is very well known. They have their own commercials. You might have even seen them in UFC fights. So safe, secure, trusted by millions globally, and it just never ends. So you might be wondering, what are some things that I can get here? Well, you can get high yield accounts up to 5% APY, waive trading fees. And this is really, really exciting because when you have zero trading fees, you're excited. You can up the transaction limit, and the level up benefits here are amazing. So you can start from the basic, go all the way to the pro or the private, and your level is in the level up program. So if you're interested in that, I'll check the specific conditions, benefits, see what's going on. Now, with credit cards, credit card offers are subject to credit approval as well. They're issued by Community Capital Bank, and you are, just like a bank, taking a look into getting a card. Then you can pursue a license from a Visa USA, and Visa is actually a registered trademark of their international service. Now, I want to make something clear. Just because that's there, Crypto.com is not a bank. Yes, it's an exchange, but not a bank. Banking services are provided by Green Dot Bank, member FDIC, and also the annual percentage yield that can be earned on balances in the USD earned account. Also, there's lifestyle integration. This is really, really easy to do with your lifestyle. As we saw, we have the card, we have coins. This is in sports, financials, elections, economics. A lot of people think this crypto is something like distant, but it's integrated into almost every part of life. So whether you're an individual, you're one person, or you have a company, you can get cash back up to 60% based on Netflix, Spotify subscriptions. As we can see here, Crypto.com is for everybody. This is the only platform that you really need. Zero fee deposits, sign up in minutes, 150 million users globally. People are looking at it, and your crypto journey can start here if you're so inclined. Also, if you're into trading, maybe you're into trading and you want to learn a little bit more. You want to get more than crypto. So there's stock, ETF transfer bonuses. There's also airport lounge access even. So if you're traveling, you're on the go, you got your phone, you got your wallet, no big deal. There's multiple ways to do it. On-chain wallet, advanced trading, and this is for everybody. It even has information like what is crypto. So you can take your wealth to the next level, and you can do it completely risk-free. So you can start your 30-day free trial on Crypto.com, see if level up is the upgrade your finances need, and if not, it's still an amazing exchange to take a look at. Take a look down below, and if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next one.